Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2014 Ford Explorer in a limited trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine, providing you with plenty of power for getting around with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions. But let's take a look inside. First, looking in the back, where you have a nice power liftgate that opens up and out of the way for you, revealing your cargo area / third row area, because you do have seating for 7 in total in this vehicle, with their own cup holders in the back too, and you have power controls for the third row seats here, so you can stow them flat so you can have plenty of cargo room, or have them up and still have a decent amount of space here with a 12-volt power outlet. And this closes again with another simple press of a button. And then looking into the second row seat, where you do have seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior, fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders in the middle, 2 more cup holders down here, I believe, and you have your rear climate controls and rear heated second row seats and a 12-volt power outlet there. This vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, and I believe also your steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 152,016 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, as well as your controls for your right screen here, where you can go into your entertainment, navigation, and phone controls. Then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology or an adjustable gap. And then you have controls for your left screen, where you can look at your RPMs and oil temperature, I believe, your four-wheel drive status, your distance to empty, and then you can also go into your trip 1 and 2 information, your fuel economy, driver assist settings, and settings in general for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to the left, where you have your lighting controls and you have your remote hatch release and your parallel park assist right here. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, USB, Bluetooth, SD, and auxiliary capable, so you have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. And then in the bottom right, you have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated and air-conditioned front seats, and even a heated steering wheel, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. And in the top right, you have your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels. And in the top left, you have your Bluetooth phone controls, but we're not connecting anything right now. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch fuse, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Moving down from that, you have your hazards, and then you have your physical, media, and climate controls here. Again, dual zone front climate, and then you have this compartment down here with your with a 12-volt, 2 USBs, SD, and auxiliary, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio that way. And then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. You have 2 cup holders. You have your terrain selector for, mud, rut, sand, snow, gravel, grass. And then you also have your hill descent assist here in the middle. Then you have your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious, does have another 12-volt inside. And then last but not least, you do have a power sliding moonroof or panoramic moonroof up top, so you can let in the sunshine, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.